Howdy. This past weekend, I did a few photo shoots, 7 of them to be exact, and it was for a series I called Men with Beards. And so it was all men with beards. And you saw a couple of those examples right up front. So I just wanted to share with you how I lit that series. And I've used basically 2 lights, one right up there and another one right over here, plus a little black foam cord that's off of here. I'll show you all that and show you how I did it. I'll start this off with just the basics of what we have. And the main lamp is a newer 150, and it's on a mini boom on a C-stand. A softbox here has a grid on it for more directional light. And then way over here is our side lighting. It's a strip light with a grid on it as well. And what we have here is a Godox 60 watt, a little less light, don't need a whole bunch. There's my table, hand painted canvas backdrop. And I use this because the natural light that's coming in the window here kind of interfered just a little bit. So I put this as a block for that natural light that was coming through that window. I don't use flash very often anymore. And the reason why is, like, for example, all the men that I photographed the other day, this past weekend, I was their first time ever sitting for a portrait. So that constant flash just gets in the way. I think it annoys people. If you're not used to it, it is annoying. So that's why I use video LED lights. Anyway, so there's that. Make sure you subscribe, like, and keep shooting.